Yeah. Gotta take control of my destiny. Everything I do is added to the recipe of success. Never let the negative get the best of me. I show them how to lead, but don't let them get ahead of me. They telling me how to live my life now. Step into my shoes, I know it's feeling tight now. Not cause they sidestep and feel the pressure when you're stepping. What's inside is gonna make you wanna fight now. But that's when you take control. They take away your home, but can't take away your soul. Take away your job, but can't take away your goals. We don't all believe in God, so don't say he got control. But we gotta take a hold of what is written. Every word, every sentence. Follow your dream, get on the top, stay on a mission to be the best. Nothing less, cause you don't wanna lose. And in the end, you don't want nobody else to choose.
Intricate spit, got a myriad of rhyme schemes. Your dry itchy-eyed flow needs some Visine and some light beam. All up in the dark, homie. Here come the fire, boy, I just spit a spark, homie. Got the weapon on me, ink blot to your mind frame. Travel through your body, now it's flowing through its veins. Close to the range, what my father made me sane. That I boast in his name, humble beast is what I claim. Theory has it, my propaganda's foreknown. I'm an oddity like Thomas, better alert the unknown. My citizen aim is to walk by braille and not by sight or experiment fail. All hail the meticulous mastermind who mortified his flesh just to renew mind. Juxtapose paradigms, minds intertwined. Fire one shot, click, bow, bow. Too many better be all about his business, not the Benjamins, did he? Getting real gritty, just like my little city. East Palo Alto where them rogues ain't pretty. Streamlined consciousness, children of the ghetto. Rockstar lifestyle, waving heavy metal. Tell them get up off the block, throwing rocks like hopscotch. The block is hot, dudes cook up in the frying pan. Let's yield to the one with flame resistance like Aquaman.
Yeah, hot power, throw 'em up, hey. Look, said it was little Johnny Jack smoking from his hubble bubble, having no idea where he was going on the double. All his life, he's on a search for inner peace, but that hubble bubble bong was gonna leave his butt deceased. At school in the south, his family's in the east, his pushing him next door, his books he never reads. And I'm in the smoke cloud, follows him all day. And then all night, he parties the highway. And then one day, his pusher got a new shipment, said, yo, it's super duper right here is this kid. So we copped it, back to the room, loaded up the hubble bubble, he would hit it very soon. 5 minutes later, he felt so benign. Real light, he could float through the sky. And then, that's when it all happened. Room started spinning, he was gone in a flash. When he woke up, his body was all lashing, convulsing. He couldn't understand all the commotion. White coats and white masks, and this pain he never had. Then again, consciousness passing. When he woke up, his mother was sad. His mother was dead. His mother had had the worst day of her life when the doctor said the weed your son smoked was laced with X and had a chemical reaction with one of his meds. The RA found him in just the nick of time. 5 minutes later and he would have lost his mind. He would have lost his mind. 5 minutes later and he would have lost his mind. He hit the bottom, only up could he climb. He hit the bottom, only up could he climb.
Yo, my voice forever rings louder, clearer. I mirror reality's founder. Beyond location or hour, I tower so far above any so-called powers that be. Cause they believe in lack, but not me. I'm at one with the most high, G-O-D. Able to obtain whatever I see. In my mind's eye as belonging to me. I shape myself, my world, my community with the peace I speak and the love I set free. I'm healed, joy and abundance I declare it. Infinite access to it so I can share it. Fear, resentment, and vengeance extinguished. Life is a playground and I'm daydreaming. Make believe in attaining, achieving, imagining success and of course succeeding. I'm the captain of an angelic legion. Better than FedEx at shipping and receiving. They get to work on whatever I'm thinking and in the right season they bring it to completion. It's ready now. It's ready now. I think I'll possess it. Y'all pay attention to the lesson.